How to replace or swap batteries of your Oculus controller. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide, and in today's video I will show you the way as to how you can open up, replace or swap batteries of your Oculus controllers if it's to the end and it's already getting dead. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now let's say you purchased a brand new Oculus, you used it for quite a long period of time, and now the battery is getting dead, and now you're simply figuring out how you can go ahead and then replace those batteries. If that is the case, make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you how you can do just that. So let me just go ahead and grab one of my controllers over here. As you can see, if I try to play with this controller, it's not going to work because since the battery is already dead, I'm just going to replace the batteries for this one. So in order to replace the batteries for our Oculus controller, if you look right over here on this particular controller, you'll be able to see a down arrow button or a down arrow direction which points towards the bottom of the ground. So what we will do is we'll just press and hold on it and then slide it towards the direction where the arrow is pointing. So let me just go ahead and show you how it's done. So as you can see, just like that, this part of the Oculus controller is just out. Now what we can do is you can see those batteries which is given by default within the Oculus. We can just go ahead and then take this out over here. Now we can go ahead and put in our new battery, replace it, and then close the lid. But before I do that, let me also just go ahead and grab my other controller and then show you guys as well. As you can see on this controller as well, there is a little button that is actually pointing towards the bottom. If you're not sure about which direction it's pointing, you don't have to worry. You just have to also slide it towards the direction on which you hold the palm downwards. And once you do that, just go ahead, grab it, and then swipe it towards the bottom, and just like that, you can see that our controllers are officially out. Now let me also just go ahead and then take out the battery for this one as well. Once you take the battery off for this one, let's say this is one of my new batteries, just go ahead and then put it in just like that. And now what we are going to do is we're also going to close the lid. So we'll just go ahead and then grab it right over here. Just slide it backwards towards how you actually went ahead and then open it. You just want to do the opposite in order to close the lid as well. So just grab it and then just push it towards the bottom, and just like that, you can see we have our controllers ready. Now you can go ahead and turn it on and try to play with the new batteries, and most likely this would definitely help and get your job done. And it's as simple as that. This is how you can replace and swap the batteries of your Oculus controller if you were tired of trying to figure it out. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one on Oculus. If you have any questions, queries or doubts, make sure to leave them down below, and thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.